Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Navy Credit Federal Union with the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and keep better track of your finances and you do use Navy Credit Federal Union. How do you actually connect that with the Rocket Money app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Linked Accounts. And then next, click on Add Institution on the bottom-hand side. Now from here, you're going to see a list of banks that can connect with the Rocket Money app. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and then find Navy Federal Credit Union. Now once you click on Navy Federal Credit Union, this software called Plaid is going to open up. This is what's going to be used to actually go ahead and connect your bank with the Rocket Money app. So go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Plaid and connect Navy Federal Credit Union with the Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.